In this video, I will show you how to add your mail to Mail app in Windows 10 or 11. So click on Start, type here Mail. Open this Mail application. Now you can select your desired account with Outlook or Gmail. I will select my Outlook account. So just select it and it will ask password. So enter your password. You will see your account was set up successfully. So this is the short and quick video to know how to add your mail to Windows 11 mail application. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.